Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today first question. Who invented the airplane? Option A. Albert and Wilbur Wright is right answer. Question number 2. Who invented the telephone switchboard? Option A. Imanol is right answer. Question number 3. Who invented the camera? Option A. Louis Daguerre is right answer. Question number 4. Who invented the sewing machine? Option A. Elias Howe is right answer. Question number 5. Who invented the microscope? Option A. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Question number 6. Who invented the battery? Option A. Alexander Bolt is right answer. Who invented the bicycle? Option A. Carl von Drais is right answer. Question number 8. Who invented the refrigerator? Option B. Carl von Lind is right answer. Question number 9. Who invented the stem board? Option A. Robert Fulton is right answer. Question number 10. Who invented the jet engine? Option A. Frank Wright is right answer.